I know this isn't going to be a great video. I'm doing it on my phone simply because my battery is dead on my camera, but got a new Rockford bass knob in, and thought I'd make a video updating it. This is without the knob. In the next section I'll do it with the knob, same volume.
Treasure, baby. Niggas say they seeing me, they hallucinating. Bitch, I'm ballin' like a motherfucker.
Gotta try it out.
Bitch, I got a dozen of them.
I got a piece of 1-inch MDF now for the baffle. Retune the port to about 40 hertz. Haven't noticed it flexing at all. Got a couple little air leaks around the seal, but it's never finished. Got all LED taillights now. LED bulbs for reverse. Looks like there's a million little LEDs. That's just reflection. LED lights, split lights again. That had some burnout. Need to get some LEDs up here for the turn signal down there, turn signal there. And I'll have LED all around. And I see some I need some brand new pogs to replace these shitty ass ones. That's all the updates I have for now. Deuces.